So, you have a Canon EOS R mirrorless or DSLR camera and want to shoot videos in 4K or 1080p Full HD video resolution, and also want to change the recording frame rate. Then let me show you how to change video resolution and FPS on any Canon EOS camera. First of all, for ease of access, make sure that your Canon EOS camera is in video recording mode. Then open up the menu, and then you need to go to the option that has the camera icon. Now the recording quality settings will usually be in the first tab. And here's our movie recording size. Just click on it, and here you'll be able to see all the resolutions and frame rate available. The one that's selected will be marked as blue. So just choose your desired resolution, and after selecting it once, you'll be able to see how long you can record. And to select it, you'll need to tap on it once again. So that's how you can change the video recording quality or resolution of your Canon EOS camera. If this helped, let us know by dropping a like and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.